Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Roblox on your iPhone. So let's start. First, open the Roblox app. This is the home screen of your Roblox app. Now you have to tap on the three dots on bottom right corner. Now scroll down. Then tap on Settings. Now tap on Account Info. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see that light theme is selected. Now tap on light and a drop down menu will open. Now select dark and then tap done. And you will see that dark mode on Roblox is now enabled. Now to save the option, tap on save and then tap OK. And that's how you can enable dark mode on your Roblox app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.